Check my P.O. box and we have returns. Let's see what's inside. Looks like this is a custom order. Yep, this was a custom dragon. Remember this one, I already remade it for this customer because they noticed that their package got sent back. We got in here. It's one of our booty RGB lamps. Get it, booty? The card got bent on this one. It's another lamp. This one's our black kitty. This one's heavy. No. It's the swamp filament! I can't believe this came back to me. I've been trying so hard to get rid of the swamp green filament. Not impressed. Got the last one. This looks like another custom order. Oh, this was an oops print. Again, in the swamp filament. One was supposed to be a Patreon gift too. Still can't believe that 2 of these were swamp filament. So now I'm gonna reach out to everyone and make sure they get their money back or if they want me to send this to a new address. I might keep this one though, I really like him.